Do you like running?
Yes.
Do you do an outdoor activity that includes running and other sports activities?
Yes.
Like what?
Like jumping
Yes.
and...
Jumping.
Δεν υπάρχει το υπονοούμενο στα αγγλικά, τελείωνε. Jumping
Jumping
and running laps.
Yes.
Πες, δεν πάμε πουθενά να φάμε τίποτα στα αγγλικά. Πες το, δεν πάμε πουθενά να φάμε τίποτα, πες το.
Wanna go and eat or something.
Όχι something, nothing.
No, or
nothing.
something. Or something.
Something είναι κάτι. Τίποτα όμως λέγω, nothing.
Τίποτα. Let's go and eat nothing.
Do you like your trainer that trains you to run and do
Yes.
other stuff?
No,
Is nice.
Is he nice
He's
to
nice.
you?
he's an old man, Baba.
How old? 40.
53.
Ah,
Is he strict with you?
Yes.
Like how strict? Does he punch you in the face when you do a mistake?
No, no.
okay.
What do you
Finished.
do?
Shut up, Adani. Stop.
Your opinion on the children of the
Oh, the priest child.
of the priest
Child.
He's so
of the priest
annoying.
child. Children.
Annoying
or
and
child.
problematic and retarded
And?
and bold. And
All.
yeah, all of them.
Why?
And
Why?
Because the last time in the school. Που έπαιρνες νερό.
Because
Last
the
time in
previous
school.
time in school, they pushed me the.
You don't know English.
Push
I know English.
from behind. And
Push my bottom into the.
Shut up. I don't. Into the.
Let's make it American. Push my ass,
And
and I fell down to
And?
the floor into the shit.
yeah. And then.
and
Can you
then
do English?
And they look weirdos. That's fun.
The priest λέγεται και minister.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
and
And
Macaroni and cheese.
what's your favorite color?
Lila.
Είπε ποιο είναι το αγαπημένο σου χρώμα.
Who do you like from your school?
Τι σου αρέσει
and why?
από το σχολείο. Τι σου αρέσει από το σχολείο.
Leave me alone.
Δεν μ' αλλώ.
No. That's
Do you like your teachers?
No.
Are they annoying?
Why?
No. Yes.
Why? Is
How annoying are they?
Really bad.
What do they do to you that makes them annoying?
Να παίξουμε το τάμπλετ.
No, that's how
English, please.
Όχι.
Goodbye now. Έλα κλείστα. Έλα.
Speak
You
Deutsch.
didn't speak a lot.
Έλα.
Why
Να
do you
παίξουμε
speak
το
English?
τάμπλετ.
Why?
Are you shy?
How you feel?
Are you shy?
Yeah.
Να παίξουμε το τάμπλετ. Θα παίξω.
No.
Θα παίξω.
Ask your sister. Your sister. My name is Igor.
Θέλω να παίξουμε το τάμπλετ. Θέλω να παίξουμε το τάμπλετ.